one big hunk of steel going up for the new surgery building for the hospital. A team from, well, mostly all over the place has come, the specialists that know how to put these buildings up. And we're just watching it go like a giant erector set. Right where the group is standing in front of you will probably be near the entrance and near one of the prep rooms, where that wagon with the long pieces is placed will probably be one of the surgery suites. So that gives you an idea of where we are in the building. This is the biggest building of the complex. And Lord willing, we will be using it before the end of this year.
That was good. That was good. Thanks, Craig.